everyone, this is Vishakha Bhuta and I'm also known as 1 teaspoon love on Instagram. So I've picked up Himachal as the state today and we're making the famous Pahari Aloo, or you can also call it Aloo Paldu. Pan is nice and hot now. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of mustard oil, which is a must in any Himachal dish. When this oil smokes, it might just hurt your eyes a little, as in a little burning sensation, because it's quite pungent. So my oil is nice and hot. I'm adding dry spices, cinnamon, again very important, badi elaichi, big cardamom, and a few cloves. In they go. I've got cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and methi powder. I'm adding this as well. Give it a nice mix. Once they're nice and fragrant and a little brown, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic and 1 teaspoon of chopped ginger. I'm going to cook this well. I'm just going to brown this garlic a little bit, and once that's done, I'm going to add in half a cup sliced onions, or one large onion should be enough. In it goes. Now let these onions cook well and brown a little. Now my onions have started to brown a little. It's time to add in some Hing. Give a mix. Next goes in some cardamom powder, very important ingredient. It smells lovely. Now I'm adding some garam masala and cumin powder. Now it's time to add in some yogurt, curd, which is mixed with rice flour to help the curd not curdle and also give some thickness to the gravy. I've also added some salt in this. Quickly stir and keep stirring because you don't want the curd to curdle. The binding agent prevents it from curdling. You can add rice flour, rice paste, or potato starch, or even arrowroot flour. Keep stirring this. Now I'm adding my dry spices, coriander powder, turmeric, and some chilli powder. Now it's time to add in the potatoes. I have sliced these potatoes. Here are about 4 potatoes, and I've parboiled them because this will help to cook faster. You can even add raw and then cover the lid and cook it, or use parboiled potatoes. In they go. Mix it well. It's mixed well now. Let this cook for a few minutes until the potatoes are completely done. You can cover the lid and cook. So my potatoes are almost done. I'm going to stop cooking them at this point because I don't want them to get mushy and overcooked. It should retain its shape. I'm adding in a little raisins and fresh coriander. Give it a mix and your aloo paldu is ready. There you go. Now I'm going to empty this in a container. Now slowly put this in a serving bowl. This quantity is good enough for 4 people. And now I'll add 1 tablespoon ghee. This will make this quite fragrant. Slowly mix it here. My aloo paldu is ready. I hope you like this recipe and are soon going to try it at home. I'm definitely going to come again with more such regional recipes, so stay tuned.